Okay, hello, my name is David Choi, and my demo is on DeChat. DeChat is a censorship-resistant global discussion platform. By now, we are all familiar with the two big problems of current social media. First, platforms like Twitter and Facebook have the power to unilaterally take down posts and ban accounts. Earlier this year, for example, they were able to censor the President of the United States. Regardless of our political stance, it's clear that the power these social media giants have has great potential for misuse. Second, while we the users create all the content, we capture little to none of the value we generate for the platforms. This is why I built DeChat. DeChat is a censorship-resistant discussion platform where content curation is left entirely to the individual user, and each user gets rewarded for their valuable contributions to the platform. So how does it work? DeChat users can create an account with their Arweave wallet, build a profile, and connect with other users. Whenever they post something, the message is stored on Arweave permanently and then displayed on their feed or timeline and is visible to their followers. If users don't want to see specific content, they can easily block it from their feed, but crucially, DeChat won't be able to delete the messages or profiles of its users. Let me list what has been built thus far. Login and registration, account-based posting, following of accounts, likes, resends, responses, sharing to social media, a React-based UI, and it's built 100% entirely on Arweave with no proprietary servers. So I'll give you a quick demo of the app in action. And before I kick it off, let me just set things up for you. On the bottom right, we have John. And John is being followed by David up here on the upper right. And then on the left, we have Linda, who is following both John and David. Let's take a look. So first, John posts a message. And then because David is following John, he'll be able to see the message, share in his other social media, like, resend, or respond. In this case, he's going to respond. And then because Linda is following both John and David, she'll be able to see both messages. So DeChat also makes sure to reward users for the content they create. Thanks to Arweave's profit-sharing tokens, we'll be able to share earnings of the app with content creators. Basically, it works by having all users post a small stake of PST for using the application. As new tokens are emitted on the network, some of those tokens will go to content creators for their work. Once new token emission ends, we will move stake tokens into a yield farm, and then this yield will be used to fund further development and pay content creators. So where are we now? In 6 weeks, I've built everything that you saw in the demo. It's all currently hosted on Arweave and it all works, which means that the MVP is near completion. The next phase will be about integrating with Kive Network and creating an indexing and caching server, together with search engine integration. The server will provide functionality like search and caching for results like most liked posts and most followed users. Once these two phases are complete, the app will be released as a beta so that we can test user behavior and the functionality. Subsequent to that, in 2022, there will be NFT functionality for further monetization of both. If you want to sign up to try our beta, my email is admin@dechat.app, and you can connect with me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube. Thanks.